What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this video in which we're taking a look at the Alpine F1 Team fan token. That's the full name, which is one of the fan tokens. It's of the Alpine F1 team, as you probably guessed already. And it's actually today, it has been really bullish, actually over the last 2 days. Apart from that, I mean, I covered Alpine a whole lot in March, all right? And I think a lot of you actually know that still. A lot of you from the community have traded and have held Alpine F1 or Alpine, let's just call it Alpine for now. And that's one of the main reasons why I wanted to make this video. I mean, Alpine has seen a very high prices earlier this year, a very high volume, very high. And right now it's pretty high, right? It's pretty high too. It's at $165 million, which is a great increase. It's also compared to the market cap amazing. But I kind of wanted to take a look at what we can do with this pretty bullish momentum we have today and this volume we have today. This volume today is the highest over the last week. It's kind of the same as we had in the middle of August when those fan tokens started to rise up again. It's a little bit lower even, but we do still have chances to actually increase it. To me, the main thing we did with Alpine, and we're just going to go over the analysis, all right? The main thing we did is we broke above this $5 level. $5 is one of the strongest psychological key areas out there. And with tokens such as Alpine, psychological levels really do matter, and they matter a lot. So we got above that, took a break retest off of that level. You can see that it kind of ranges between 4.9 to $5. Reached up to this level here at 5.7, but our main price target obviously is this level between $6 and 6.5. So do I think it's realistic that we can get there? Yes, but there's one strict criteria, and that is that we need to stay above this $4.95 level. All right, we need to keep closing above that. If we shoot through with the wick, that doesn't really matter, but we need to keep closing above, let's say 4.9. If we can hold this level for the next 3 days, then I think we're going to get that move up to that level between $6 and 6.5. But it really is a strict criteria, all right? Because we broke above that $5 level. If we can stay above that, that shows us that we have enough bullish momentum and that there's enough buyer power to get higher. And that's why I think that if we can stay on top of that level for 3 days, that we can also get higher. But if we break down below that level, so if we close down below that level, which would then probably be around 4.6 or 4.5, then I think it's over, at least for the short term, because then we would just take a break retest off of $5 and drop down to this level right here at 4.2. Now 4.2 is probably going to hold, and off of that 4.2 level, we might actually be able to get another bull run. But that really depends on the market circumstances, and we all know that we're in a bear market, so we could also do something like this. Drop down to 4.25, 4.2, consolidate on top of that level. And then when the market circumstances worsen, if Bitcoin drops down to 19,000, Alpine will drop down all the way to 3.5 and maybe even lower after that. All right, so staying on top of that $5 level to me really is crucial because that allows us to get higher. If we drop down below that, there's no guarantee that we can even reach 5.5 anymore. All right, so that's basically my analysis right now on Alpine. If you do have any questions about the analysis, please feel free to let me know down in the comments and we can talk about that. But for now, I want to wish you all a great weekend. I hope to see you all in my next videos, and bye.